Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video after so long of not posting. And I feel so proud and happy to be back posting content, and I don't know if you guys missed me, but look where I am. I'm back. Today we're gonna be playing Gorilla football, soccer, volleyball, basketball, whatever. We're just gonna be playing like each one of those games. And yeah, we're just gonna be playing with other players. And yeah. Oh, let's go. Alright, first let's go ahead and start by practicing, because low-key, I need to practice before I play. Alright. One thing I've been trying to work on is hitting it from all the way down here. I'm trying to get like that technique. The only technique I have is like doing this. That's the furthest I can hit. That's almost. It's like 75% of the whole court. But my accuracy is pretty on point. Oh, what the? Alright. Aren't you that kid that's in first? Yo! Aren't you that kid that's in like first? Or whatever, I don't know.
Maybe not, maybe, I don't know.
Bro, I see the trophy. I see the trophy, bro. I know that's you.
Everybody press ready. It's 2v2 now. Everybody press ready.
I'm not ready for this, bro. I'm not ready to get cooked.
You're not winning this, bro. You have a way harder advantage. You actually are gonna win. Lucy's gonna win. Harder advantage, bro. Teammate, you aren't gonna have to do jack.
Alright, yeah. This is so rare. I don't think I've even seen somebody that's like top.
Not that good though.
Yes, you are, bro. I know you're good,
not
bro.
That good.
I know you're good,
Not
bro.
that good. I'm on my ult because I don't want to freaking play on that. Okay, bro, you're on your ult. Get on your man. Well,
Corner kick.
no one's on ranked right now. Because you weren't even there.
Charging foul, penalty kick.
I am not good at GK. This guy might be like...
What?
Top 100 for like baseball or something. Wait, what? Oh yeah, teammate. Pressure that. There's no way he's actually top 100. He is. If he's this bad, then like.
I play baseball and soccer.
Green Giant.
No, I'm diamond. You're diamond? Yeah, I'm a baseball. I'm diamond. There's no way I'm better than diamond. Yeah, I play baseball too. I'm better at baseball than soccer. I don't ever play. I don't play.
Let's go. That's own goal. That's own goal.
Someone. Like. Diamond. I just have this account to troll people, bro.
Y'all be having multiple accounts.
Oh my god, bro, I keep hitting me. Something. Bro, please don't score that. I keep...
Holy!
Goal kick.
Oh my god!
Goal kick.
Stupid freaking dash, bro.
Wait, what?
Charging foul, free kick.
You're fuck. Okay, stop.
Yeah, I think he got mad. Yeah, we won that. We won that. the... Quick, did he hit him with a screen? Boing! Juked! Oh! I got this! Right there.
Thank you.
Hot Pockets!
I scored twice, chat. Thank you. Hot Pockets! Fuck! Let's go. Us. Where'd it even go? Okay.
$2,000 years later.
Oh. Should have been right there. Fuck. Alright, bro. Bro's not tough. But I am tough. I'm tough. I am tough.
Oh my gosh! I'm just gonna... Maybe not score that. No way. Yeah, got it. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't like.
You used to call me on my cell phone. You used to call me on my cell phone. Bro, how we dead does right now?
I'm sorry.
Apple bottom jeans. Boots with the fur. Me hoiny noy. Me hoiny noy.
Our teammate.
Take a look around you.
Green giant. Oh! Oh!
Corner kick.
Come on, beta.
Fuck is he doing, bro?
Teammate, how do you sell that?
Bro,
game?
shut up.
Oh shit. Lemon.
Goal
Whatever,
kick.
bro, that's fine.
Just let me cook, bro. I am the one and only.
Oh my god, I messed up my chip. He sucks though, he can't shoot.
Fucking
Yo,
fuck shit.
I'm trying to clear it.
Bro, it's just
What the?
the balls are swamping.
I'm trying.
Charging foul. Free kick.
Yo, I'm selling hard.
I missed.
Oh, let's go! Oh my!
Goal kick.
You cannot make that. There's no way.
That's green. Giant.
Not anymore.
Green, no giant.
By me, bro.
Teammate.
Come on, bro. That's all you.
Yo, can I get the chip?
That was all
Oh
you,
my
teammate. Teammate,
my bad.
that was all you.
God. That's my bad. I'm gonna stop trolling. You can't even thumbs down. Look at you.
Neat freak. Sus. Bro, your mic is so bad. What are you talking about, bro? Your mic is so booty, bro. Your mic is booty cheeks.
Ho ho ho.
Green Giant.
No.
No way. You're buns, little bro.
Charging
You're
foul,
buns,
free
little
kick.
bro. Let's go. Sit down, Froggy. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, little Froggy. Call me the N-word for nothing, bro. Eating a burger with no under mustard. Oh my gosh. Bye night.
What's up, bro?
What's up, little bro?
No.
Oh. If I don't make this.
I don't want to choose it.
Oh! Easy 3-pointer.
Yo, can you hit this? Dang it.
My name is Ingerdingish.
And his name is John C.
Show what's up. Yeah. I got this. I gotta show this guy. It ain't no game. I gotta show this guy what's up. Okay, well, I think he left. Don't mind the crying in the background chat. Okay, well, let's go. Green Giant. And there's... Is this the same one? Oh, no.
I'm new to this, to be honest.
It's low-key fun. Green Giant. I choose some
Green Giant.
Oh, that was so bad.
I aimed directly at the floor. Yeah, mine was too. And I suck at this. To make it. Green Giant. I can dunk though. But trust me, bro, I'm worse than you. There's still orange.
Green Giant.
I got this.
Gotta show him what's up, bro.
Bro, I just suck, bro. You so easy on me, bro.
Oh, holy Green Giant.
Oh, what?
I got this.
Holy moly!
You don't want the food.
Bro. Alright, bro, chill. These ladies, chill.
Where's the surrender button?
I got this.
Alright. Where's the surrender?
Oh my gosh. Bro, he left. Yo, we just made him rage quit, bro. I'm making everybody rage quit, bro. It's not that deep, bro. Yo, the only thing I'm not doing is baseball. That's the only thing I'm not doing. That was
Green Giant. steal. Green giant. Hurry. He left so fast. Bro, he left so fast. Oh, it's you again. No, it's not me again, bro. I don't even exist, bro. What you talking about? Well, you alive in that 1v1. Get me. Bro, I got you. I can hit, some give me that neck, boy. Oh. How am I breaking so bad? Oh my gosh. It's that hee-hee, man. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad at shooting three-pointers. Bro, I'm terrible at shooting. I'm crazy at dunking them. Oh. Thank you. Oh my gosh. For some reason, when I'm alone in a lobby, I hit the middle of the green guy. This guy's dead. I'm mother. Huss. Huss. This guy murdered me. I know you. But you do. He's
2v3, bro. Green giant.
Oh,
Thank you.
hit that stank.
What the?
Oh.
Yo, my teammate's fast.
I don't like him.
Oh. Yo, my teammate's fast, bro.
What are we at 2-on-3?
And we still using this, guys.
No way.
Bro.
No way. Give me
No.
that neck, boy. Give me that neck. Bro.
Holy, I hit the ball out of your hand so many
Bro,
times.
I swear. No way. Let's go! I got the ball all the way over there. Bro.
Bro, we got him.
Yo, they rage quitting.
Oh, nigga.
Say green giant.
Oh, look, it's,
Come on.
is
Go on,
that the
teammate.
kid that used hacks on me?
Come on. I got you. Oh my gosh. Teammate. Teammate.
You got flags like that.
Oh.
Oh,
Come
shit.
on, bro. Just do it.
Guy stinks.
Yes, bro. Come on, teammate.
Your butt
This
cheek.
guy stinks. This guy stinks.
You stink.
close.
You stinks, teammate.
Bro, what the heck? Oh, these guns in these games is so crazy.
You trying to get the pick up?
Nigga playing like crazy. Full on. Come on.
Stop talking to me. Never die.
Level 10 Gyat.
Go ahead again.
Embarrassing.
I was lagging. That's why I was lagging. Damn. I remember.
Bro, shoot it. Shoot it.
Pass the ball. You ain't fucking good.
Yoink.
Just pass the fucking ball.
I'm like,
You fucking suck at this game. Shut the fuck and ain't no pass.
Oh.
Fucking ball.
Fuck, bro.
Fucking ball. Pass it now.
Just throw. Damn,
Go November.
he can't score.
Oh.
He only dunk.
Digga. I thought he was gonna steal it. Trust me, bro. The dude was gonna steal it. I know it. Where is it? Port 40 on. Oh, 40 on. Am I not there? He got I'm gonna turn you into he good look.
This guy stinks.
You're tough like a gorilla. You're like a king gorilla. Oh, talk to me. You're a fraud.
This guy.
You're a fraud? Well, you are fraud, buddy. You quit better than you get. Oh, fuck. 40
This
fraud,
guy-
by the way.
He's not making that. No way.
Get that out of here. Oh, shit. Oh,
Dang it.
you're tough like a gorilla.
Bro, accidentally touched the board.
You know, like, fuck.
Yeah.
This crap
This
is
guy.
worse than an
Yo,
This guy.
I can stay right here.
Oh my god. Oh my. Better not lose the ball.
Come on.
Oh, get you.
Shut up, you're not good. I can beat you. Who's the kid that keeps talking flag?
Bro, teammate.
What the fuck, teammate? I'm sorry, I'm just trolling you, bro. I'm just trolling you.
No way, bro.
Like a gorilla, more like
My ankle.
quesadilla. You think you're tough like
That's ball, brother.
quesadilla.
Ugh, dang it, that was way away.
Get the read.
We all owe it, guys. We owe KSI an apology, guys. We owe him an apology.
And these kids are sweaty.
We bounce for
Nope. Oh!
What the ghost?
Hey, yo, right here.
This kid is such a
What the fuck?
Yo, what the shoot it! Nope. Get that
Come on,
thing
bro.
out of your part.
Come on, I'm wide open. I'm literally wide. I'm wide, teammate. Straight up wide.
Every 6 fucking seconds. He's gonna get the ball. He's gonna run with the ball.
Like, why does he always get the ball, bro?
He's not gonna make that.
He's not making that. Let's go. We won. Oh my gosh, chat. That was outrageous. My name is English. Just like and subscribe for a cookie. Yeah, just like and subscribe for a cookie. I love y'all. Peace.